Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which cluster of stars is also known as the Seven Sisters? Is it A. Pleiades, B. Sorestas, C. Perseids, or D. Nymphoids? The answer is A. Pleiades.
The Pleiades cluster, also known as the Seven Sisters, has been referenced in various cultures throughout history. In Greek mythology, the Pleiades were seven sisters who were pursued by Orion. To protect them, Zeus transformed the sisters into stars, which now form the beautiful star cluster we see in the night sky.
Question 2. What is Myrmecology the study of? Is it A. Freshwater environments, particularly lakes, B. Prehistoric metazoans, C. The Soviet Union, or D. Ants? The answer is D. Ants.
Did you know that some species of ants can carry objects up to 50 times their body weight? This incredible strength has made them a subject of fascination in the field of myrmecology, where scientists study their behavior, social structure, and ecological impact. Ants truly showcase the power of teamwork and resilience.
Question 3. What was created with the Big Bang? Is it A. Infinity, B. The universe, C. Andromeda, or D. The Milky Way? The answer is B. The universe.
The Big Bang not only created the universe but also set off a chain of events that eventually led to the formation of galaxies, stars, planets, and even life itself. This explosive event marked the beginning of everything we know today, making it one of the most significant moments in cosmic history.
Question 4. What is Oceanology the study of? Is it A. Non-terrestrial life, B. Blood serum, C. The Earth, or D. Oceans? The answer is D. Oceans.
Did you know that the ocean covers about 70% of the Earth's surface, yet more than 80% of it remains unexplored? Oceanology, the study of oceans, helps us unravel mysteries hidden beneath the waves, from discovering new species to understanding climate patterns. The ocean truly holds endless secrets waiting to be discovered.
Question 5. In computing, what do the initials IRC mean? Is it A. Internet Relay Chat, B. Institute of Remote Clients, C. Information Rating Center, or D. International Rotator Cuff? The answer is A. Internet Relay Chat.
Internet Relay Chat, IRC, was created in 1988 by a Finnish student named Jarkko Oikarinen. What started as a simple chat system for friends quickly grew into a global phenomenon, becoming one of the earliest forms of online communication. IRC played a significant role in shaping the internet culture we know today.
Question 6. How many humps has a dromedary camel got? Is it A. 1, B. 2, C. 0, or D. 3? The answer is C. 0.
Despite popular belief, the humps on a camel's back are not actually filled with water. Instead, they store fat which can be converted into energy when food and water are scarce. This unique adaptation allows camels to survive in harsh desert environments where resources are limited.
Question 7. Which type of tree is known for its hardwood and conical shape? Is it A. Birch tree, B. Oak tree, C. Pine tree, or D. Maple tree? The answer is C. Pine tree.
Pine trees are not only famous for their hardwood and conical shape but also for their resilience. Some species of pine trees can live for hundreds of years, with the oldest known pine tree being over 4,800 years old. These majestic trees have truly stood the test of time in nature's grand design.
Question 8. A female swan is known as what? Is it A. a ewe, B. a gill, C. a pen, or D. a vixen? The answer is C. a pen.
In the world of swans, it's not just about grace and beauty, there's a touch of royalty too. A female swan is called a pen, which is derived from the Old English word penne, meaning feather. So next time you see a majestic swan gliding across the water, remember she's not just any bird, she's a pen.
Question 9. What is Acarology the study of? Is it A. cosmetics, B. the mouth and its diseases, C. schematic layouts, or D. ticks and mites? The answer is D. ticks and mites.
Acarology, the study of ticks and mites, is not just limited to these tiny arachnids. It also delves into their impact on human health, agriculture, and ecosystems. These minuscule creatures may seem insignificant, but their role in disease transmission and biodiversity makes them a fascinating subject of study in the field of acarology.
And with that, we bid adieu like a neutrino passing through matter swiftly and without a trace. Keep exploring the universe of knowledge. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure, until we meet again tomorrow. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.